Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how you can create a YouTube channel using your computer. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking. So let's start the video. For that, I will use a brand new Gmail account. So first of all, I will search here youtube.com. Okay, I am in youtube.com and at the right top part here you can see my photo here. And now you can see here there is an option here create a channel. I would hit on it. Okay. Now you can see there is an option here name and handle. In the name section, we will put here the name of our YouTube channel that we are going to create now. Suppose I'm going to name it WP Tutorials. Okay. Now I will make a handle for it. Make sure your handle is clean and readable. So I will make it a bit clean here. So WP Tutorials, it's not available. So I will add a number here, suppose 25. WP Tutorials 25. So now I will hit on the create channel button here at the right bottom part. This is our channel WP Tutorials, and here you can see there is option here customize channel. I will hit on it. This is our customization section, and now we can customize every part of our channel like banner image, picture, name, handle, description, and add language. In the later videos, I will show you how you can customize your YouTube channel professionally. So that's all the video. Thanks for watching.